My name is Nancy Valdivia, Children's Librarian for the Palm Springs Public Library, and I welcome you back to our craft, take-home craft for the month of November. We're going to be making a maize wreath or a corn wreath, and inside your kits you can see that we have cardstock, construction paper, cord, paper plate, a paintbrush or a foam brush, and a strip of bubble wrap. So these are some items you'll be using to make your craft today, as well as some paint. You can pick up this craft beginning Monday, November 14th. Well, first thing for our project is to get the paper plate out. You're going to need to make a little hole inside for your wreath. So just fold it, fold it the opposite direction and cut. I want to get a grown up to help you with this one because it's a little rough. And you're just going to cut out the center of the paper plate. Okay, there's your center. Okay, that was the first step. Second step is to take out your cardstock, okay, and your bubble wrap, a little strip of bubble wrap, and we're going to begin making the actual corn. All right, the purpose that you're going to be using the bubble wrap and the paint and your foam brush is to get this type of a pattern on your cardstock. If you can notice, the bubble wrap looks really awesome. And these different colors help make your maize or corn look like corn, because the little bubble wrap bubbles look like the corn kernels. So that's what we're going to create right now. Let's get crafting. You notice here I've already started creating my pattern, and this is what it's going to look like, but you just keep putting and applying your paint on with your foam brush, different areas here and there. Have some fun. I also like using my fingers, so you know, everybody's different. So, but you have the foam brush, so go ahead and make sure you cover everything. I need some more yellow. And just get it on top of the bubble. And once you have that coated, just press it onto your paper lightly and gently. Put some pressure, and you have a pattern forming. So it's fun. I'm just going to put it on here. Pick it up, redo it, put it in a different direction. So a little paint goes a long way. And there's no right way or wrong way. It's whatever is your way. It's your craft. Okay, so we're done. And now we just let it dry. Okay, so we've glued the corn cob to the corn husk. now it is time to glue it to our paper plate, and I would suggest that you put it on the side of the paper plate that protrudes out. So, and the first one is also going to be the one that you're going to punch a hole in for your cord. So I'll use this one here. Okay. And just thread this through real quickly. Tie it up. Nice little knot there. Okay. And then you can just begin stapling or taping or gluing, depending if you have a glue gun at home, to begin creating your wreath. I'll staple my first one because this is where it has to hang from. Just to kind of reinforce it a little bit. So as you can see there, it's pretty strong. All right. So go ahead and begin putting on the corn cobs. Okay, as you can see here, I'm almost done. I have one more to do. And we'll just finish this right up. I have a spot right here. Put it in. And grab my stapler. If you have double stitch tape, that would be awesome. You can use that. That's pretty strong too. And my last one. And here you are with a nice maize wreath or corn wreath just in time for the Thanksgiving holiday. Again, don't forget that your kits are available beginning the 14th of November, which is a Monday, while supplies last. Enjoy. Happy Thanksgiving.